Hello guys, and welcome into a new video in the same category as all the other regarding the Renault Clio 3 maintenance. Today I managed to take back the car from the service after replacing the most of the braking system. I would have wanted to replace everything on the back wheels as well, but unfortunately absolutely not a single set of aftermarket parts fitted uh, my car, and the original equipment was not in stock at the Renault dealership. So I would have had to keep the car there for a very long time, maybe, and that's why the mechanic and the owner of the service decided just to let's say clean the entire braking system from the back, take all the rust as possible. They even laughed, they said that my car weighs less now from all that rust that was removed. And in front everything was replaced, even a brake caliper from the front left, because they couldn't simply open the aerator to take out the braking fluid from there, and supposedly it simply braked. That actually was again an aftermarket one. It was the same caliper that was replaced by them with years ago, something like back in 2018, I think. So without any further ado, I will show you how my wheels look right now. And what can I say? I'm really happy about how everything turned out. It cost me even less than how much I expected, since they didn't replace everything in the back, and the car brakes flawlessly. I mean, it's just like a brand new car without hitting the braking pedal almost all the way down. I'd really have to adapt to it, but it's really a nice thing. Let's see how it looks. This is the brake caliper that was replaced. New braking pads and new braking discs. This is the first time I have new braking discs. You can see they also painted behind. It looks really nice. Now I don't know how much time the paint will last, since this is not 800 degrees Celsius proof paint, but if in the future I will need to do this procedure again, I will take the car to them, and I will use most probably, I think, a gray paint resistant to high temperatures. But it's way more than I could have asked. It looks really amazing from what it was before, and how it is now. So the brake caliper is TRW. And the original OEM braking pads. It looks really nice. And in the back This is how my braking system looks right now. It's tuned up. I I heard that now each wheel will have 5 more braking horsepower. But so these are the old parts that have been painted. Here also the cap was looking in a really bad shape, and now it's blue. So this is how it looks. And from this side, it is really neat. What can I say? So yeah, this is about it. I changed the oil also at almost 11,000 kilometers this time, for the first time with such a so-called high mileage, and everything works amazing. I also had the side skirts repainted with the same gray and gray primer and blue paint after I scratched it in the woods last time I went there. So it's really perfect. Now I just have to replace the engine air filter and the cabin air filter, because there are the old parts, but today I purchased the new parts. There they are. And yeah, what I wanted to show you is how the wheels in the back looked before the service. Right here I have the oil, the same Liquimoly 0W40, true 100% synthetic oil. It's amazing. The DOT 5.1 TRW braking fluid, and those spray paint. Let me show you how the braking system looked in the back. So this is how the braking discs in the front were, really worn out and let's say rusted, in a really bad shape. The same braking discs, and here how the back looked. So yeah, let's see. So before and after. Yeah, it's really something else. And here another close shot. And how it is now. This is about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best. May your car run as well as possible, and I'll catch you in the next videos. Take care wherever you are.